Hey everyone! Today, we're going to walk you through the essential steps for installing a car seat for your newborn. Ensuring your newborn's safety in the car is a top priority for every parent, and proper car seat installation is crucial for this. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll be able to install your car seat securely and confidently. First, let's talk about choosing the right car seat. There are many types on the market, but for a newborn, you'll need an infant car seat or a convertible car seat that is suitable for their small size and weight. Infant car seats are designed specifically for newborns and young babies. They are rear-facing, which is the safest position for your little one, and usually come with a base that stays in the car. The car seat itself can be clipped in and out, which is convenient for carrying your baby. Before you start installing, take a moment to read both your car seat's manual and your vehicle's manual. Every car seat and vehicle is different, and these manuals provide specific instructions that are important to follow. They'll guide you through the process step by step and help you understand any unique features or requirements. Now, let's move on to the actual installation. Begin by placing the car seat base in the back seat of your car. The back seat is always the safest place for your baby, and if possible, position the seat in the middle to provide extra protection in case of a side impact crash. Make sure the base is level. Many car seats come with built-in level indicators that show if the base is properly positioned. This ensures that your baby will be at the right angle, which is crucial for their safety and comfort. Next, secure the base using either the seat belt or the latch system, lower anchors and tethers for children, if your car is equipped with it. Both methods are safe when used correctly. For the seat belt method, thread the belt through the designated path on the base and buckle it. Lock the seat belt by pulling it all the way out until it clicks and then letting it retract. This removes any slack and ensures the base is tightly secured. For the latch method, connect the latch connectors to the anchors in your car, usually found in the gap between the back and bottom of the seat. Pull the straps to tighten them and remove any slack. After securing the base, give it a firm shake at the belt path. It should not move more than an inch side to side or front to back. If it does, you need to tighten it further. This step is crucial because a loose car seat can compromise your baby's safety in a crash. Once the base is securely installed, it's time to attach the car seat. If you're using an infant car seat, simply click it into the base until you hear a secure latch. Check that it's properly attached by giving it a gentle tug. For a convertible car seat, follow the manufacturer's instructions for securing it directly to the base. With the car seat in place, it's essential to ensure your baby is properly positioned and buckled. Place your baby in the seat, making sure their back and bottom are snug against the seat. Adjust the harness so that the straps are at or just below your baby's shoulders. The chest clip should be at armpit level, and the straps should be snug enough that you can't pinch any extra fabric at the shoulders. Double-check that everything is secure and properly adjusted each time you place your baby in the car seat. Babies grow quickly, so you'll need to adjust the harness regularly to ensure it fits correctly. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. One of the most frequent errors is installing the car seat too loosely. Remember, it should not move more than an inch in any direction. Another mistake is not adjusting the harness properly. The straps need to be snug and the chest clip should always be at armpit level. Also, avoid using aftermarket products that didn't come with the car seat, such as head supports or strap covers, as they haven't been crash tested and could interfere with the safety of the seat. It's also important to remember that bulky clothing, like winter coats, can interfere with the harness. Dress your baby in thin layers and use a blanket over the straps to keep them warm if needed. If you're ever unsure about the installation, seek help from a certified child passenger safety technician. Many local fire departments, police stations, and hospitals offer free car seat checks. They can provide hands-on guidance and ensure your car seat is installed correctly. In conclusion, proper car seat installation is vital for your newborn's safety during car rides. By following these steps and regularly checking the installation, you can travel with peace of mind knowing your baby is protected. Don't rush the process, take your time to read the manuals, secure the base, and adjust the harness. With a bit of practice, installing and using the car seat will become second nature. Safe travels! Thanks for tuning in. We hope this guide helps you install your car seat safely and correctly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting tips and advice. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.